Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox this Asus ROG Strix laptop. Guy sent it to me just like that in the plastic bag. So that's why it gets a little bit damaged on the corners, but it shouldn't influence anything. Check out the box. It says ROG Strix. And over here we have a G edition. And then over here we have some like serial number and specs. This, and then over there also some barcodes and serial and everything. Comes with one seal over here. Let's look at the specs. It was like 400 or 500 off when we purchased it. This 1700 is definitely too much. It's QHD 3 millisecond response time, pretty good. 165 Hertz, pretty good. We have some pictures here. We're gonna see it there anyway. QHD means it's 2560 by 1440, which is better than Full HD. Obviously, it's a little bit less common, especially with 15-inch. It has Ryzen 5 5980, which is very good. 512 SSD. This one is like, okay, 16 gig of RAM. Then it has 6800M video card. It's a very good video card. Windows 11, obviously backlit keyboard. This is like full model number. Let's go forward. It's the weight. As we can see, it's 12 GB of video RAM, which is very good. Usually it's 4 or 6. Like for a laptop, 12 is great. You know, for desktops it's more common, but for laptop it's really great. If we compare this CPU to Intel i9 11900, so it looks like i9 is slightly a little bit better, but 11800 seems to be slightly worse. So it's definitely a very strong CPU. As for the video card, let's compare it to 3060. So as we can see here, this RX6800M is faster than 3060, so we can go to 3070 probably, and 3070 is definitely faster than that. It's still better than 3060, which is pretty good. It's a good gaming video card. So looking at the specs, I would say the strongest part of it is the CPU. Video card is good, 16 gig of RAM is good, and 512 SSD is probably not enough for most people, unless you just play like 1, 2, 3, 4, like several games, then it's probably fine. We've just opened it. Let's see what we have inside. So here we have the power adapter. It's a big one. Let's take a look. Is it 280 watt? Wow, that's a lot. That's very powerful. Okay. So it's not 230, it's 280. Here we have the other part of the power adapter. That's for this. And then we have here, what's in here? Something very light. Some papers, boring stuff. Okay. Then we have these things. Okay, so I guess it's, oh yeah. If you don't like red, you can swap it for this color or this color, like silver or gray. What else we got here? Nothing else. It looks like it could be something, but it's nothing there. And nothing here. Let's see. No, it's in plastic. And the model number again. So whether it's serial number. back on for those who dare. And plastic, so I'm gonna open the plastic. Look at this laptop. This red thing stands out definitely. Have another one similar, and this one has it black. Yeah. So let's get back to this one. Let's check over here. So 2 USB-A's and headphone input. On the back we have USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, charging. Oh, it's not in here. Okay, no SD card. Okay, to open it, have this. Put it on the side. Let's take a look at the keyboard. So this is the keyboard. Okay, very nice. We have Ryzen 9, AMD graphics, Wi-Fi 6, turn on button, very nice, ROG everywhere. Let's see, liquid metal, Dolby Atmos, 8 cores, overclocked. Very nice. The bezel is small, which is very nice, small. I don't see a webcam here, so this one does not come with a webcam, but because of that we have very thin over here. This is red. I like the design. It's definitely a gaming laptop. Definitely not conservative. The quality of the buttons and overall, it's great. Feels great to me. Let's just quickly turn it on and see how it is. How the keyboard lights up. We've just turned it on. I got some lights over here. We got buttons lighting. Very nice. Oh, yeah. Republic of Gamers. Very nice keyboard. Changes colors. Take this side, this side, this side. Just a moment. So then we're gonna choose the language, the country, and so forth. And it's gonna be just a normal Windows setup. Overall, I like this computer. It's very powerful. There are many different similar models. They're like ROG Strix, but there are like many different specs, different CPUs, different video cards, like 1 terabyte SSD, and there are like maybe 32 gig RAM. So you can choose different specs for your taste, for your money, for your budget. Overall, the quality and everything is great, and I really like it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.